Are you tired of getting engine oil all over your lawnmower, whether it's the frame, the exhaust, or the ground, whenever you change the engine oil? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that's going to help you change that engine oil in your mower. Keep it clean, you won't even get a drop on the mower or on the floor. To do this job, I recommend a clear bucket that's graduated so you can tell exactly how much engine oil that you get out of it. And you're going to need an oil transfer pump. This is what the oil transfer pump looks like, and I'll put a link in the description down below how you can get this off Amazon. This is a 12 volt, so all you got to do is connect it to your lawnmower battery and you're ready to go. All right, so now you're just going to pull out your dipstick, or if you don't have one, you're just going to remove the cap where you normally fill the engine oil. So now you just got to pay attention to the oil transfer pump. You see that little arrow? That is going to be the direction of flow. So the direction of flow is this way, so I'm going to be sucking fluid out. So then all you do is stick the hose down into the fill tube. And then over here where the fluid is going to flow through, you're going to want to attach that to a bucket. And I have it held in place with a zip tie so that tube won't come out of there. And then after about 30 seconds, it's got all of the oil out. And you could also just kind of peck at it a little bit with your hose and make sure you've got it all out. You might get a little bit more as you peck at it like this. I know this engine has 48 ounces of oil. Now look how close that is, guys. The rest of the oil is probably in the filter. If you have a spin-on oil filter that's really close to the frame, the best thing that I found is get some shop towels, fold them up about 3 times, and you tuck them under. And then you're going to open up that oil filter very slow, and that's going to allow the oil to soak into the towels. And then just install your new filter and just get it hand tight. Now you can add your favorite engine oil. Just make sure you don't overfill these little engines. And always double check your oil level. And that's all there is to it, guys. No spill oil change. Now you really need to know how much oil is in your engine. If your engine holds 2 quarts of oil and all you can pump out is 1.5 quarts, well, that's a problem. Maybe this method isn't for your engine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.